My DMs are flooded right now, and a lot of TG ICET students who wants to try their luck in the phase 2 are flooding my DMs with so many different type of confusions. And see, as being a creator, I want to reply each and everyone, but right now I'm in a situation where I cannot to reply each and everyone. That's the reason I'm making this video. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel J Into Explainer, and in this video let's clear all your doubts and confusions who wants to upgrade to phase 2 and want to try their luck. So let's start with the confusion number 1. See, the first confusion which a lot of students have been spanning in my DMs is what happens if they completed the payment and they wants to enter in the phase 2 and if they don't get any seat allotted there. See, if you are someone who have completed the fee payment, they done their self-reporting and they got their admission number and they went to phase 2 and tried their luck with some web options and they don't get a seat there, then absolutely you don't have to worry over there, because the same college which you have been allotted in the phase 1 will be allotted back to you. That means you have logged and secured a college already and then you have entered in the phase 2. And now the confusion number 2. See, what happens if you don't pay the fee, you don't do any self-reporting and you enter into phase 2 and unluckily and unfortunately you don't get any seat there. What is your scenario? See, I don't want to say this, but after complete 2 phases, you will be someone with no seat. Hear me again. You will be someone with no seat, and you will be spending your entire phase 1 and phase 2. Even then, you are someone with no seat. That's the reason I always suggest students that it may be a tier 1 college, tier 2 college, or any college. First, lock it down your college. Like, lock the college by paying the fee payment. Complete the self-reporting. Now enter the phase 2 with a lot of confidence that you already have a seat. I have been saying this again and again repeatedly for TG ECET students, TG PGCET students, and now again for the TG ICET students. So 2 confusions, 2 clarifications. Now confusion number 3. See, if you are someone who have done the fee payment, you have done the self-reporting, and now when you want to try your luck or you want to upgrade your college in the phase number 2, and fortunately and luckily you have been allotted a different college there, what happens to the fee that you paid in your phase number 1? See, you don't have to worry at all. Your entire amount that you have been transferred to the convener, that will automatically transfer you to your phase 2. You don't have to do any new fee payment there. But yes, there is a possibility that if your fee of the phase 2 college which is newly allotted is higher than the phase 1 college, then you need to pay the extra fee that it's asking you in the website. For example, a college A which you have been allotted is around 100 rupees and the college B in your phase 2 is around 150 rupees. Then the 100 rupees is already paid by the convener, which is automatically transferred, but you need to pay the extra 50 rupees. There is no adjustment or settlement over there. And see, for example, there is a reciprocal of this. If the phase 1 college has higher tuition fee and you paid that, and your phase 2 college which is newly allotted has around 5 rupees, then 50 rupees, then from your 100 rupees, your 50 rupees will be refunded. You will not be in a loss over there. Now 4th doubt. What happens if you got a seat and you cancel your seat? See, if you cancel your seat, there is a timeline over there where you need to cancel your seat, then you will be at a safer side. But once you cancel your seat after that date, then there is a lot of possibility that you will not get the refund, because the norms have said clearly that within that guideline or within that timeline, if you cancel, then you will be at a safer side. Now a lot of question that a lot of students have asked me, that now we like the phase 1 college, we paid the fee, we completed the self-reporting. Now when should we report to the college with your documents? See, the official date is from August 22nd to August 25, 2026. Then I suggest you to go in between August 22nd and 25. See, once the allotment is released, all the colleges are calling out the students to come and submit their documents. See, this is just a trap. I am saying you literally, this is just a trap from the colleges. Their goal is to fill their seats, even it may be management, it may be convener quota, any type of category. once you submit your documents, you are like, you have been like a type of scammed, because they are like they are taking your certificates, and once they take your certificates, you cannot go anywhere. You are like logged in there in that college. And see, as being a senior to you all, I want to suggest you something. First thing, before submitting your documents in the college, I want you all to like scan the documents with your colored documents. Number 2, take the printout of the documents in the exact paper size or GSM of that certificate, so that it should be like a lookalike. Yes, I know it may come under fraud, but when you don't have anything, that's a valid proof that you can show. And number 3, take as many as you want, color Xerox or black and white Xerox. And another thing I want to discuss with you all is, so many of the students had said that they have received the income certificate or the community certificate, that is your caste certificate, later on after completing your phase 1, and they have been allotted into other category, that is open category, OC category, and now they want to go and submit the certificate, and like they want to get back their reservation. But I suggest you all to call to the HLC helpline numbers, and you can explain your scenario, because when you have the reservation, I want you all to take that reservation and be at a safer side. And other thing is, you have to like work hard to get that reservation, because ask the importance of that reservation to students who don't have. And also, see, if you are someone who are capable of getting the fee reimbursement, go and try for that. And soon I will be releasing a video on fee reimbursement and its consequences and pros and cons, and I want to watch that video entirely, so that you will understand the importance of fee reimbursement, and also what are the things that can be done with that. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for today, guys. Hope you all understood the video and liked the video. Bye.